Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce our online lecture today, who is going to talk to us about the most very important point to create a Google Forms. Everyone, please join me in welcome home. Myself, I am Dr. Satunkar SS, Assistant Professor and Head Department of Computer Science, Sri Sant Janabai Education Society, Arts, Commerce and Science College, Gangakhed, District Parbhani, Maharashtra, India. The outline of this lecture, the three outlines. First is the uses of Google Forms. Second, create a Google Forms. And last is very important outline, hands-on. In hands-on, online demonstrations to create a new Google Forms. The first point, uses of Google Forms. It is a very excellent. Google Form is a free options to create this form used for online evaluations. It is a web-based applications to create a Google Forms for data collection purpose. Teachers can be used to make online registrations. It is used feedback for conferences, workshop, and also teachers can use to solve the online quiz for every students or any students, etc. The form is shared via emails. Response of forms is typically stored in a spreadsheet. The second point is to create a new Google Forms. The first step is very important. Internet connections is required to activate the laptops or your PC or your smartphones. You can use any search engine, Google, Alta Vista, Yahoo, Bing. A lot of search engines is available. I'm using the Google search engines. Type the forms.google.com using the Google search engines. The screen is displayed here. You can select the first options of in this page, Google Forms sign in. Click it, the Google Forms sign in. After clicking the Google Forms sign in, the screen is displayed in this way. Now 4-5 steps. Select Google Forms sign in hyperlinks. Select plus symbol under the start new forms to create a new Google Forms, or you can use existing template to create a new forms. I am selecting the plus symbol to create in a new form. The screen is displayed here within after selecting the plus symbol. This is the simple examples to create the Google Forms. In untitled forms, you can type any title, Form 1, Cyber Security, Information Security, ICT, and add the form descriptions. You can add some descriptions, add a note, or add some points. Type your questions here untitled questions. Now I am typing an EP 2019 and descriptions, add a descriptions to a Google Forms and type one questions. An EP draft, the use of technology in education can be classified broadly into dash categories. I am using the multiple choice options 5, 3, 4, 1. In these forms, customize theme, preview and setting are the three icons is available top of the right corner of the screen. To change the appearance, select the form themes by clicking the icon customize theme. It is possible to preview of existing form, and last is very important icon is a setting icon. Select setting icons. The few options are included. Collect email address in general tags. Type confirmation message, your response has been recorded. And last is very important, quiz tag. Later after manual review. Select send at the top right of the screen where you fill out the following informations. Click send your form to other and collect their response. Type the email ID. I am typing the email ID satunkarsuas@gmail.com. Type the subject and send it. And waiting for the response of students or others. And last outlines, it's very important, online demonstrations to create a Google Forms. Now you can select any search engine, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. I am selecting the Google Chromes. The Google Chrome is a web browser, not a search engine. You can select any web browser, Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Use the Google search engine. The Google search engine is a very popular search engine. A maximum students are use the Google search engine. It is very popular. Type form.google.com in this search engine, form.google.com, and enter it. Select the Google Form sign in options in new tabs. You can select a plus symbol to create a new forms, or select the existing template gallery. A lot of more template gallery is available. Event registrations, work requests, customer feedback, education, blank quiz, assignments, worksheet, etc. A lot of existing template is available. I am selecting a plus symbol. Now in this symbol, I am type the title form 1 or form #1, or you can type ICT, or you are using IN information technology. Descriptions, add a note or any points. Type the questions. I'm typing one questions. Virus R. Now you can choose multiple choice questions, check boxes, drop boxes, file uploaded, and short answers. I'm selecting the multiple choice questions. You can type the options 1. This is a man-made. Now you can add other options. User or any software. Add options 3rd. Program, and last none of the above. After typing your questions and options, you can see the preview of this form. It is possible to change the themes of forms. In this way you can change the themes of forms. See, now there are 3 icons: customize theme, preview, and settings. Now third is very important: collect the email addresses. Presentations, your response has been recorded. Type any confirmation message: your response has been recorded. And last, quiz. Select this point, assign point. Later, after manual review, save the setting. Add the answer key. It is very important. The answer of these questions is a man-made. The answer key, I am selecting the answer key, man-made, done. This is a simple example to creating a form. The email address is automatically added after setting the general tags. Collect the email addresses. Now see, save it. The email address is not displayed in your forms. See the preview of these forms. Now see the setting once again. Collect the email address, save it. The email address is mandatory of all students to receiving this online quiz. Now send it. Type the email address. I am sending this form to one student, Satunkar Suhas @gmail.com. The subject is information technology. Now click the send. Now see,